कि चमन में एक खिलाते रंगो बू से बात बनती है। हम ही हम है तो क्या हम है, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो।
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Career Compass. It is a platform where we are inviting professionals from different fields in order to know their journey. This will help the students and professionals to choose the right and informed career decision. I'm the host, Shilpa Miglani Narang, and today we have with us an educator, an academician, a principal who is a natural awardee. We welcome Dr. Vandana Shahi ma'am. Welcome ma'am to the podcast.
Hello, Shilpa, thank you very much for inviting me.
Ma'am is the principal of BCN School, not just a principal, but a founder principal. So my question to you is, what role parents are playing in the life of a child in helping them choose the right career without putting unnecessary pressure on them?
See, the first thing is that family is the first school for the child. Parents are the first teachers. I always tell whenever we have some functions, I always एक कपलेट सुनाती हूँ पेरेंट्स को कि चमन में एक खिलाते रंगो बू से बात बनती है। हम ही हम है तो क्या हम है, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो। मतलब एडुकेटर्स अकेले या पेरेंट्स अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
Absolutely.
सब मिलकर ही कुछ बच्चे को बना सकते हैं। So the first thing that the parents need to do is they need to spend quality time with the students. And quality time is not that we are going to watch a movie with them or on OTT platform we are sitting with them. Quality time is where only you and your child. There's no distraction over there. So what's going on in your life? What are you doing? It's not like what are you studying? Basically, it's like parents should always, I tell the mothers that whenever your child comes home, you should ask the child, what did you do good today? Because more than making them good for living, it's very important to make them good human people in life, good human being in life. So that's very important. So if they spend quality time, if they give encouragement to their children, their motivation to their children, half of the job is done. Because as I said, there are multiple kind of careers which even the educators are not fully aware. So the parents are not at all aware.
Absolutely.
But then this is something, this motivation is something. And then believe in your child. Trust your child. Because there are certain things in today's world, the parents are not aware, but the children, talking about technology, talking about artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
So our children are, if my phone goes wrong, so who is going to fix that? I'll not be able to do. My child will be the one who is going to do that. So they should be, the way you want them to be respectful towards you for your experience. You should also be loving them. You should also be respecting them for the, expertise that they have. They feel very motivated with that. And ultimately, they'll find their path. They will definitely find their path. Just be with them. That's the most important.
Such a lovely answer, ma'am.